Hi, it's Jules Apollo. Welcome to Power Up Starlight. It's time to shine, where I share playful ways to meditate and create based on channeled messages from my spirit guides and star beings. Let's have some fun. We are the Hathors. We come now with our expertise and our mastery of the marriage of light and sound to aid you in anchoring the incoming energies and translating these frequencies into ways to support your life, the expression of your light, the carrying forth of the gifts of your soul through a song expressed in the way you go through your very days, and transducing this light into rhythmic patterns that are carried in your DNA, in your blood, in your bones. For our mastery of sound is not simply an understanding of rhythms and harmonies. It is the application of repetition and percussive elements of light that spark a remembrance of your divinity inside you. There is vast power coming onto the planet now, and you have chosen to be here at this time of vast power. And we can be called upon to assist you in taking that incoming energy and turning it into music, to fuel your chakras, to remind your cells and your organs of their divine blueprint of perfection, to pattern out the energy of your days, to create the harmonic resonance for taking an idea and moving it into manifestation. There are so many ways to play with this light now, and we invite you to play with it, to ask us and your other guides for help in being playful and joyful. For when you are able to access these frequencies in a joyful manner, it has an exponential benefit for all aspects of your reality. And what we mean by that is this: you can jump dimensions with this light. You can transcend limiting patterns that you have carried for vast periods of time, or simply that you have carried from your family of origin, your biological family of origin in this lifetime. You can ask us to help you transmute with light, transmute with harmonics, lower frequencies into higher octaves of expression. Dimensional shifts and higher expressions can be seen as octaves of light. And if you have felt that your life so far has been a dull repetition of someone banging on middle C on a piano, we come forward now to help you take the light that you are, access more of the multidimensional expression that you are, and turn that banging of a middle C, a redundant note, into a concerto of light. We are infusing this frequency with reminders of music that will help you understand these comments about octaves and harmonics. So pay attention over the next week to music that inspires you, or music that you have remembered that you had forgotten about, or music that sparks your interest that you have never heard of before. Allow that music to seep into you, almost like you put an oil on your skin after a bath. There will be times in this coming year when we and others share messages that do not make a lot of logical sense if you were to diagram them on a paper or try to write an essay proving this point or that. But you are so far beyond a need for a logical expression when you are tapping into the light of your soul. And so this message comes to you, carrying the resonant frequencies of remembrance of your divinity and your multidimensional reality. Now, these incoming energies offer you the chance to embody that multidimensional reality inside your body now. For your chakras, your DNA, your bones, your cells to be of harmonic resonance with the perfection of your divinity. And we herald that song of light and hold you most dear. May you be blessed by this message and by all of our love. So be it, and so it is done. That's it for now. If you enjoyed this, I would love it if you would subscribe and share it with your friends, and I would be so appreciative of a positive review. Thanks for listening.